Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having if your orders on WooCommerce are not being received. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. If you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com and this is going to open up this main page. From here, you can get started with accessing your WooCommerce plugin right here at the left side of the screen by opening up the plugin section from where you have set up your store. If you have not set up your WooCommerce store already, what you can do is go and install the WooCommerce plugins that you need to go and set up your store. And once you've done that, you're going to go and be able to access them right here. So from here, we can go and manage our orders and to see what the problem is, why they're not being received. As you can see right here on the official WordPress website, somebody already asked the same question on the forum about order confirmation emails not sending in WooCommerce. So basically here we have a couple of solutions we can go and try out. What we can do is follow some of the steps we have gotten right here from people that are associated with WooCommerce and how we can get started going ahead and fixing the problems. So what we want to do is go ahead and installing some of the plugins and checking which ones aren't working. You're going to go into your plugin section right here and disable your plugins one by one. You want to disable them one by one and check if the orders are going to start working again. And once you get to the ones that are still disabled or not disabled, you're going to go and be able to figure out which ones are causing your problems. If you need any more help, you can go to the forum right here and ask the question for yourself, ask customer support, and they're going to explain to you step by step how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.